When I went for my physical, my family doc, she told me then, you really need to get your teeth fixed, Dorothy. They're in bad shape. So that had me thinking. I said, Dorothy, you have to go and get your teeth done. It was important for me to have somebody that he explained everything to me, relax you. He will go over your options with you. And then you have to decide which one you want to do. And that makes a difference. My name is Dorothy Carson, and I got implants top and bottom with Dr. Gabby, and I am very happy and satisfied. This made me feel better about me, and now I feel great. I am so happy with my teeth. I smile all the time, and when I talk now, I don't have to cover up my mouth, and that's the best thing. The difference between here and the other dental offices I visited is that it's the friendliness, it's the positivity, and it relaxes you. He's very modern here. I love this. I am so happy I found Dr. Gabby. He's a very compassionate, good dentist, and I feel better about myself. I got my self-esteem back.